Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we will understand design and simulation of op-amp series voltage regulator using LT-Spice tool. Okay. So today we will understand how do we design a power supply for 24 volt input or 18 volt input to 12 volt output. So this is the objective of today's tutorial. I want to design a power supply whose input voltage is varying from 18 volt to 24 volt, and we want to get a output of 12 volt. So in my previous video we have already seen the design part of voltage regulator. Okay, we have already understood the circuit working of the circuit diagram. We have already understood how do we derive the equation for output voltage and how this circuit works. So in this video I will run the simulation and I will show you the voltage. Okay, when input voltage is 18 volt, what is the your output voltage? When your input voltage is 24 volt, what is your output voltage? And I will show you what is the output voltage at your operational amplifier VO minus, and I will show you what is the voltage at V minus terminal, inverting terminal, and I will show you what is the voltage at non-inverting terminal, that is V plus terminal, and what is the VZ, right? So these all things I will show you in the simulation and in the form of waveform. So before I run the simulation, I want to explain a bit about the circuit diagram. I hope you already watched the previous video, so you know all the things, but still I want to describe a bit of the circuit flow. So you can see this is the operational amplifier. Base is connected to the base of this transistor, this NPN transistor BC847, and the emitter is connected at the output terminal. So this is the V out, output voltage of your power supply, and this is the feedback section, and it is connected to the inverting terminal of an operational amplifier, that is V minus, and this works as a error amplifier. Basically it amplifies this operational amplifier works as a error amplifier. That means it amplifies the error between V plus and V minus, right? And accordingly it uh, regulate the output voltage, right, using this transistor. So we have already seen how this transistor regulate, how this transistor drop the voltage across it and regulate the output voltage. So right, so in this video we will run the simulation and see the waveform. This is the non-inverting terminal which is connected to the VZ, that is Zener diode IN750, and it is connected with a current limiting resistor which goes to the input supply, and input supply is connected to the collector of this NPN transistor, right? So hope you understand the circuit flow. Now if you want to calculate the V out for this circuit design, V out equals to Vz into R1 plus R2 divided by R2. This equation we have already derived in the previous tutorial. Okay, so Vz is 4.7, this is 4.7 Zener, then 15.6k R1, 10k R2, and if you divide by R2 10k, you will get 12.032 volt, right? So now I will run the simulation and we will see if we are getting 12.032 volt or not. If your input voltage is 18 volt, then we will vary the input voltage at 24 volt and we will see the impact of output voltage. Alright, so let me run the simulation. Yeah, let me show you V out. So if your input voltage is 18 volt, how much your output voltage? That is coming around 11.97. Okay, so this is the output voltage. If you want to see the voltage at inverting terminal V minus, that is coming 4.67. If you want to see the voltage at non-inverting terminal, that is coming 4.4.67, both are equal. Okay, both are equal. Let me show you the output voltage of an operational amplifier. This is how much? This is 12.58. So if you want to think why this is 12.58 and your output voltage is 12 volt here, why? The reason is why it is 12.58 volt, because this 12.58 volt goes to the base of the transistor, then there is a VB drop. There is a VB drop, it could be 0.7 volt based on this transistor characteristic. It drops across this, then you will get V out voltage, right? Now I will change the input voltage to 24 volt. This is 24 volt. Okay, let me run the simulation again. Okay, let me show you V out. So you can see your input voltage is 24 volt and your V out is how much? Your V out 12.02. Okay, so you can see there is not much more difference when your input voltage is 18 volt and when your input voltage is 24 volt. The output voltage remains constant with few millivolt regulation, right? So the basic advantage of this op-amp series voltage regulator is it is having a high efficiency, but the disadvantage of this circuit is this do not have a short circuit protection, so it requires external short circuit protection. So hope you understand the working for design part for op-amp series voltage regulator, and you can now design your own op-amp series voltage regulator. Okay, uh, voltage regulator by using operational amplifier. You can simulate it in LT-Spice and you can also see the waveforms. You can alter these values R1, R2 and R3, and you can see if the output voltage is changing, because you can see there is only three factor VZ, R1 and R2. By changing the value of VZ, R1 and R2, your V out will be changing, right? So thanks for watching this lecture. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section.